Good morning, students. After balanced diet, today I am going to explain you about deficiency diseases. You have already studied about balanced diet, isn't? The diet which contains adequate amounts of all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage and water which is sufficient for the normal growth and development of the body is called a balanced diet. अगर डाइट में कोई भी पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट्स का कमी हो जाता है तो उसके लिए अलग अलग बीमारियों का सामना करना पड़ता है. A disease which arises due to lack of nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals or vitamins in our diet is called a deficiency disease. These deficiency diseases are also called nutritional disorders. It occurs when one nutrients are not present in our food over a long period of time. बहुत लंबा समय तक हमारे डाइट में अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं रहा तो इसके लिए अलग अलग डिजीज़ होता है. उसे डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस कहा जाता है. Children who do not get adequate amount of proteins in their daily diet suffer from a disease called kwashiorkor. Lack of protein in diet for a long time may result in stunted growth, hair discoloration, swelling of face, skin disease and diarrhea. Some sources of proteins are milk, egg, fish, nuts, beans, pulses, etc. The deficiency of proteins as well as carbohydrates in the diet of a very small children causes a disease known as marasmus. The child will become weak, the growth of the child may stop completely. They need carbohydrate and protein rich food like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. Deficiency of various vitamins in the human diet gives rise to a number of diseases. विटामिन डिफिशियंसी के कारण भी बहुत सारा डिजीजेज होता है. The deficiency of vitamin A weakens our vision in dim light, the disease known as night blindness. विटामिन A deficiency के कारण नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होता है. Some sources of vitamin A are spinach, carrot, butter, mangoes, green leafy vegetables, etc. The deficiency of vitamin 1 in food causes a disease known as beriberi. इसमें मसल्स बहुत वीक हो जाता है और एनर्जी भी एकदम लो हो जाता है. Some sources of vitamin B1 are eggs, meat, rice bran, fish, milk, etc. The deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Scurvy में गम ब्लीडिंग होता है और टीथ भी लूज हो जाता है. Various sources of vitamin C are lemon, oranges, आंवला, strawberry, broccoli, etc. Now vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D in the diet of small children causes a disease known as rickets. इसमें छोटे बच्चों का बोन्स बहुत वीक हो जाता है, ब्रिटल हो जाता है, जो कि आसानी से टूट सकता है. Some sources of vitamin D are sunlight, meat, milk, etc. The deficiency of vitamin B12 causes a disease known as anemia. The symptoms of anemia are tiredness, loss of appetite, loss of weight, etc. And the sources of vitamin B12 are meat, spinach, beetroot, milk, etc. The deficiency of vitamin K causes hemophilia like condition. इस डिजीज़ में छोटा सा इंजरी होने पर भी ब्लीडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि ब्लड क्लॉट होने में लेट होता है. Green leafy vegetables are the rich sources of vitamin K. After vitamin deficiency diseases, we will discuss about mineral deficiency diseases. अगर हमारे डाइट में मिनरल्स की कमी हो जाता है तो भी कुछ ना कुछ डिजीज़ या फिर प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट होता है. The deficiency of calcium and phosphorus in the diet of children causes a disease called rickets and osteomalacia. इस डिजीज़ में बोन्स टीथ बहुत वीक हो जाता है. The various sources of calcium are pulses, cereals, cashew nut, almond, green leafy vegetables, milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat, etc. Next is iodine deficiency. The deficiency of iodine in the diet of an adult person causes a disease called goiter. Goiter is the abnormal enlargement of thyroid gland situated in our neck. हमारे नेक के पास थायराइड ग्लैंड रहता है और आयोडीन के कमी के कारण ये थायराइड ग्लैंड एनलार्ज हो जाता है और उस सिचुएशन को गॉइटर कहा जाता है. जिस एरिया के फूड में आयोडीन की कमी रहती है उस एरिया में ये प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा होता है. द सोर्सेज ऑफ आयोडीन आर various types of seafood and common salt which we get from sea. Next is iron deficiency. The deficiency of iron in the diet leads to the disease called anemia. The symptoms of anemia are the person looks pale, feels very weak, loses weight, etc. Iron is necessary for making hemoglobin present in our red blood cells. Deficiency of iron results in the blood containing too little hemoglobin. अगर डाइट में आयरन की कमी हो जाती है तो ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन भी बहुत कम हो जाता है. And we know that hemoglobin carry oxygen in our body. Due to deficiency of hemoglobin, a person is not able to carry sufficient oxygen to all the body cells. और फिर वो पर्सन बहुत ही लेस एनर्जेटिक हो जाता है और वीक हो जाता है. Various sources of iron are green leafy vegetables, pulses, different types of fruits, nuts, fish, etc. Now magnesium deficiency. The symptoms of different diseases due to magnesium deficiency in diet are weak muscles and nerves, loss of appetite, sleeplessness, etc. मैग्नीशियम डेफिशिएंसी के कारण नर्व्स और मसल्स वीक हो जाता है. वेरियस सोर्सेज ऑफ मैग्नीशियम आर green leafy vegetables, cereals, fish, various types of nuts, fruits, pulses, etc. So, I hope that you all have understood all the concepts in this video very well.